All right, so say that you've drawn or sketched whatever you need to sketch in CAD, and you go to print your PDF, Control P. You have your Sasaki CTBs and everything established. Everything looks right, and you say go. Put it in your photo that you create. I'm not going to do that right now. I want to be neat. I'm going to put it here. I'm going to say yes, I finished. Don't name it that. I'm just saying. You say go. Hopefully it'll kick out so we can see it. Then you look in, it's like, what's going on? I don't see my line work. Why is it not printing? Well, let's explore some reasons that might be happening. The first reason, probably what's happening to you, is that you're on a no print layer. So in AutoCAD, you have the ability to turn the ability to print the lines on and off. You can control that. So you can see in flat work, if I go into my layer properties manager, under this icon I have a negative mark on the printer. If I click on that now and I go Control P, I'll do a preview so we can see it instead. You see now that it is printing the lines, all right? And again, before, let me just demonstrate this. Before, it's on a no print layer, and I go Control P, preview, nothing's there. Okay, so that's probably what's happening if you're having a printing issue where you have line work appearing on the computer screen, but it's not printing out to your PDF. So make sure that you're not on make sure that your lines are on the appropriate layer, but also that it's on what is it called? Plot is set to on, not off. Another issue you might have, and this is not as it's not as much of an issue, but and this is just a light line. Remember, you have CTBs, so some of the lines will be thicker than others, and some of them are grayed out actually. So on the CTB file, for instance, let's try going to these are fine, these are bold, these are 55%, let me do a 70%. So that's a 16, right? So I'm gonna look for that 16, and let's explore what happens when we do that. So, cancel. When I'm on this, and I'm just gonna change this color to 16. When I go to print this now, it's thicker, it's just grayed out, and this you'd still see. But be cognizant, sometimes you'll have, and on the line chart, maybe they have things that weren't described. If you're on an odd number, it might just print very light, grayed out, and thin. So just be aware of that. But more than likely, the issue that you're having for printing is, again, escaping, is in your plot manager for your ability to show it or not to show it, to make sure that it's turned on. Any questions, let me know. I hope this was helpful.